By adjusting the temperature of your steam boiler, you can increase or decrease steam on pressure and alter the temperature of the water used to brew your espresso. To alter the temperature of the steam boiler, first enter Eco mode by holding button 5, then pressing button 3. Then press and hold button 5 until the screen shows language options. Press button 5 8 times until you see the word temperature. If you press button 2, you can decrease the temperature. By pressing button 1, you will increase the temperature. Once you're happy with the new boiler temperature, continue to press button 5 until you return to the Eco mode screen. Then, press button 3 to exit Eco mode.